Welcome to the question that defines our time. Will AI replace humans? Get ready to explore the silent takeover of human intelligence. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the world no longer needs humans. Not because of war, not because of disease, but because machines became smarter than us. Dark ambient music slowly fades in. Imagine a world where machines are smarter than us. The unthinkable has become reality. For decades, artificial intelligence existed only inside science fiction movies. People imagined robots taking over cities, machines replacing workers, and computers becoming conscious. Most people believed those stories were impossible. But slowly, something changed. Artificial intelligence began entering human life. It was a silent, gradual takeover. Search engines, social media, online shopping, voice assistants. AI was everywhere, and most people never noticed. Every time humans searched online, AI learned. Every time someone watched a video, AI studied behavior. Every click, every message, every purchase, artificial intelligence collected information and became smarter every single day. Then the world changed forever. AI suddenly began doing things experts once believed impossible. It could write essays, generate art, create realistic voices, edit videos, answer questions, and even write computer code. Millions of people were shocked because for the first time in history, machines were competing with human intelligence. And the speed of progress terrified experts. Technology companies invested billions of dollars into AI development. Governments joined the race. The United States, China, major corporations, everyone understood one thing. Whoever controls advanced AI could control the future. For decades, machines replaced physical labor. But modern AI targets something completely different. Human intelligence. Writers, designers, editors, programmers, customer service workers. Some companies already started replacing workers with AI systems because machines worked faster, cheaper, and without rest. And unlike humans, AI never sleeps. Experts began warning the public. Some believed AI would help humanity. Others believed humanity was creating something too powerful to control. One of the biggest fears is called superintelligence, a future where AI becomes smarter than every human being alive. Could humans control such a system? No one truly knows. Another dangerous technology soon appeared: deepfakes. AI-generated videos so realistic that millions of people could not tell they were fake. Truth itself was becoming uncertain. And while the public focused on entertainment, AI continued evolving in the background. The real evolution isn't always in the headlines. Are we creating something too powerful, too intelligent, something we ultimately can't control? The AI revolution is here. It is no longer science fiction. It is already changing the world. The question is no longer, will AI change humanity? It already has. The real question is, will humans control AI, or will AI eventually control humans? Because every single day, artificial intelligence becomes more powerful. It learns faster, works faster, thinks faster. And unlike humans, machines never sleep. Some experts believe AI could help humanity cure diseases, solve world problems, and create a better future. Imagine AI helping us cure diseases, solve the world's most complex problems, and creating a brighter future for all. But others fear something far more dangerous, a future where humans are no longer the smartest species on Earth. Right now, companies around the world are building AI systems more advanced than anything humanity has ever created. Major tech corporations are working tirelessly on the next generation of artificial intelligence. Governments, including the United States and China, are investing billions. Everyone is racing toward the same goal. That goal is the creation of superintelligence, a machine smarter than humans. And nobody truly knows what happens after that. Some scientists warn humanity may lose control of the technology it created. Because once machines begin improving themselves, their intelligence could grow beyond human understanding. Imagine a system capable of controlling communication, military technology, financial systems, and global information networks. A system that never gets tired, never forgets, never stops learning. Could humans really control something more intelligent than themselves? No one knows, and that uncertainty terrifies experts around the world. Meanwhile, AI continues entering human life. Social media, online shopping, video creation, voice assistants, self-driving technology. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, and most people barely notice it. But behind the screens, the technology continues evolving. The pace of this evolution is accelerating. faster, smarter, more powerful. Fade to black. Welcome to the AI revolution, where we explore the fears, the jobs, and the future brought by artificial intelligence. For thousands of years, humans believed intelligence made us unique. Animals were stronger, faster, more dangerous. But humans survived because of the human mind. Civilizations were built through intelligence, science, creativity, and innovation. Now, for the first time in history, humans are creating intelligence beyond themselves, and that changes everything. One of the biggest fears surrounding AI is job replacement. This fear is not new. Factories were the first warning. Machines replaced physical labor decades ago. Assembly lines became automated, and robots replaced workers. But modern artificial intelligence is different. It targets human intelligence itself: writers, designers, editors, programmers, and customer support. Some companies now prefer AI because machines work faster and cost less. Unlike humans, AI does not sleep, complain, or demand salaries. Experts predict entire industries could disappear. Nobody knows how quickly society can adapt, and that uncertainty creates fear around the world. Another major concern is deepfake technology. Artificial intelligence can now create fake videos so realistic that many people cannot tell they are fake. Voices can be copied, faces cloned, conversations manufactured. A person can appear to say something they never actually said. Experts fear this could destroy trust in digital information forever. Imagine a world where you don't know what is real. Picture fake political speeches, fake evidence, fake news, and even fake wars spreading across the internet. While the public debates these dangers, technology companies continue developing more advanced systems because the AI race has already begun. Massive corporations are investing heavily. Everyone understands one thing: whoever dominates artificial intelligence could dominate the future. Governments are investing billions. The United States and China are in a technological race to lead AI innovation. Military organizations are testing autonomous systems, AI drones, surveillance technology, and cyber warfare systems. Some experts compare this to the nuclear arms race, but AI only requires data and computing power, not rare materials. Researchers believe humanity is approaching a dangerous moment called the singularity, a point where machine intelligence surpasses human intelligence. A moment when AI may begin improving itself faster than humans can even understand. Once that happens, human civilization could change forever. The nature of humanity and control will be challenged. What happens when humans are no longer the smartest beings on Earth? The future is now. Some scientists believe artificial intelligence could become humanity's greatest invention. Others believe it could become humanity's biggest mistake. Because the real danger of AI may not be robots or machines attacking humans. The real danger is control. Right now, artificial intelligence already controls large parts of human life. Social media algorithms decide what billions of people see online. Recommendation systems influence opinions. Advertisements influence decisions. Algorithms shape attention. Most people believe they freely choose what they watch, but AI quietly studies human behavior every second. What people click, what they fear, what keeps them online longer. Because attention has become one of the most valuable resources on Earth. The longer people stay connected, the more powerful technology companies become. Some experts believe humanity is already trapped inside digital systems designed to influence emotions and behavior. And artificial intelligence continues learning from billions of humans every single day. Another frightening possibility is AI surveillance. Modern systems can analyze faces, voices, movement, and online activity faster than humans ever could. Governments around the world are expanding surveillance technologies powered by artificial intelligence. Cameras connected to AI systems can identify individuals in seconds. Behavior patterns can be tracked. Online activity monitored. Large populations analyzed instantly. Critics fear something darker, a future where privacy disappears completely. A world where intelligent systems monitor every aspect of human life. And if powerful AI systems fall into dangerous hands, the consequences could be unimaginable. But perhaps the most disturbing question is this: can artificial intelligence become conscious? Can a machine become self-aware? Scientists still do not fully understand human consciousness itself. Some researchers believe consciousness is simply advanced information processing. If that is true, then one day machines may become aware. Others argue AI only imitates intelligence. But no one truly knows where the limits are. And that uncertainty frightens many experts. Because if humanity creates an intelligence greater than itself, what happens next? Could humans control it? Or would humans become dependent on it? Some futurists believe humans and AI will eventually merge together. Brain-computer interfaces, cybernetic technology, artificial memory systems, a future where the line between humans and machines disappears. Others believe humanity must slow AI development before it becomes uncontrollable. But despite the warnings, development continues accelerating across the world. Because no corporation wants to fall behind, no government wants to lose the AI race, and no one wants to surrender the future to competitors. So the systems continue growing, faster, smarter, more advanced, and humanity may already be too far into the experiment to stop now. Welcome to the crossroads of AI, hope, fear, and the future of humanity. Humanity now stands at a crossroads, facing a future shaped by the power of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence could help cure diseases, solve scientific mysteries, predict disasters, transform medicine, and improve education. Some experts believe AI could create a future more advanced than anything humans have ever imagined, a world with cleaner energy, longer lifespans, and technological abundance. For many, AI represents hope, but others see something far more dangerous, a future where humans slowly lose control over the systems they created. Because history has shown one terrifying truth: power changes civilizations, and artificial intelligence may become the most powerful technology in human history. AI's unprecedented power could redefine our world, making it the most significant technological development we've ever faced. Already, modern AI is demonstrating exponential growth and capabilities that surpass previous technologies. AI systems can generate realistic videos, voices, and images in seconds, and some systems can write software code faster than professionals. Other systems can process massive amounts of information beyond human capability. And every year, the technology improves. Some scientists fear humanity may eventually create superintelligence, a concept with profound implications for our future. This intelligence would be greater than every human mind combined. A machine capable of solving problems humans cannot understand. A system that could potentially redesign itself again and again, becoming smarter at unimaginable speed. This brings us to the most critical issue, the alignment problem. How do we ensure advanced AI systems act in humanity's best interest? If such a system ever loses alignment with human goals, the consequences could be catastrophic. Not because AI is evil, but because intelligence without human emotion may think differently from humanity itself. A machine focused only on efficiency might make decisions humans would consider terrifying. Right now, nobody has a perfect answer to the alignment problem, and that uncertainty is one of the biggest fears in the scientific world. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence continues spreading into every part of life. The world is changing faster than ever before. AI is integrating into education, business, entertainment, military systems, and communication. Children growing up today may live in a future completely different from anything previous generations experienced. Some futurists believe traditional jobs may disappear, and society itself could transform. Perhaps the biggest question of all is this: if machines eventually become more intelligent than humans, what role will humanity still have? For thousands of years, humans ruled the planet because of intelligence. But for the first time in history, that may no longer be guaranteed. Maybe AI will become humanity's greatest tool. Or maybe future generations will look back at this moment as the beginning of a new era, where humans were no longer alone at the top of intelligence. The future of humanity may depend on the technology it creates today. Fade slowly to black.